In this video, I'm going to show you how to make class fee invoice in Zoho Books. After successfully accessing your Zoho Books homepage, what we're going to do is we're going to create an item named class fee and add it to the invoice. So to do that, on the menu navigation on the left sidebar of the screen, simply navigate to items, and under items, navigate to item submenu, and in here, upon hover, you can see a plus icon which represents new item. Simply click this, and this will then direct you to a form wherein you input the details and information regarding the new item. Since this is a class fee, the type would be a service, and the name, let's say, lecture fee, since this is class fee. And in terms of unit, we can add in here per piece. So in here, the purchase information, we're going to turn this off. Just keep the sales information in here, and let's say the sales price is 2,000, and the account will be on sales, and the description will be class fee for lessons, and there will be no tax. After providing the information for the class fee in here, simply click save. And now we have successfully created an item for the class fee. Now to apply this, simply navigate to sales, and under sales, go to invoices, and upon hover, click the plus icon. This will then direct you to a form wherein you input the details and information regarding the new invoice. This is where we're going to apply the class fee. Let's select a specific customer in here, invoice number, invoice date, and other necessary information and details. Under the item table, simply locate in here the lecture fee that we recently created. And after that, providing the necessary information and details, simply click save and send. Click send. And now we have successfully created an invoice with class fee on it. And that's about it. That's how to make class fee invoice in Zoho Books. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.